It's Python time. So are you ready? What is the basic difference between Python 2 and Python 3? Oh my god. Oh, I don't know which version is better, Python 2 or Python 3. Oh, but you don't worry, you'll definitely know what is the basic difference between Python 2 and Python 3 after watching this video. So go ahead.
Hello everybody, this is Shimangi Tiwari and welcome to my channel. In last class we have seen why Python is so demanding and why everybody is crazy about Python. We have also seen that what are the advantages, what are the features of Python now. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the difference between the Python 2 and Python 3 version and what basically makes a Python so comfortable language and what is the easiness of Python. So let's jump into it. So today's topic is difference between the Python 2 and Python 3 version. Basically we're going to talk about Python 2 and Python 3. So let's come, I'll show you.
According to Geeks for Geeks and Stack Overflow, it was observed that Python 3.x would replace Python 2.x till 2019, and you can see now that's true. Now, point number 2, libraries. Many older libraries built for the Python 2 are now forward compatible for Python 3. Many of the today's developers are creating libraries strictly for the use with Python 3. Now, talking about strings, Python 2.x strings are stored as ASCII by default, but Python 3.x strings are Unicode by default. Keep this in mind. Now, talking about division. When we do division in Python 2.x, it gives integer value, that is 7 divided by 2 will give you integer 3, but when you do so on Python 3.x, you will get a real value, float value. You can see that on the screen. Now talking about print function, what does it do? In Python 2.x, print is done without putting parentheses, but in Python 3.x, you need to put parentheses if you want to print some specific statement or a message on the output screen. So these are the basic differences between the Python 2.x and Python 3.x. Let's jump into the interpreter so that we can look these differences one by one. So let's start. So one is Python 2.7.2 interpreter and another is Python 3.2 interpreter. So I'm gonna demonstrate you one by one some of the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. So let's see. When I try to print 5, it returns 5. When I try to print dog, it returns me dog. But when I try this on Python 3 interpreter, it gives me error. Why? Because I'm not putting parentheses while printing my statement. But when I put parentheses, it gives me my result correctly. That is what the basic difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Now, talking about long. When I write long 1, it gives me 1 capital L, but when I do so on Python 3 interpreter, what does it do? It shows error. Why? Because first we need to convert long into int, then only it will return me 1. These were the few differences between the Python 2 and Python 3 which I demonstrated you on the interpreter. Now up next we will be going to start our first program and also we're gonna download our IDE and Python. So are you excited? Even as. So let's meet on the next video. Till then stay tuned. Bye bye and keep going.